We are going to create the roof and add materials to the house. Let's zoom out and turn it a little bit. Type line in the command box. Enter. Vertical. The start point at the midpoint. And 4 feet, 6 inches. Enter. Click for direction. Type polyline in the command box. Enter. Move it a little bit here. And from this endpoint to this endpoint to this endpoint and type C. Enter to close. Select the curve. Extrude curve in the command box. Make sure solid yes, both sides no. We just need to go one way. So 4 inches, enter. And click here. Select extrusion. Right click on the exterior wall layer. Change object layer. Now copy it to the other side of the house. Let's see from this end to this endpoint. Enter. Next, we are going to build the roof. Let's create some guidelines first. Type line in the command box. Enter. Let's zoom in a little bit. Start at the midpoint and end at this end point. Select it, this curve. Move it from this point to this point, this end point. And now, if we turn it a little bit, we can see this line follows the slope of the roof. Then use the line function again. Start at this endpoint. Go following the grid line. So if you didn't see it, come here to turn on the smart track. So that turn off, that turn on. Now type 1 foot, enter. After that, use the line function one more time. Click vertical. Start at this endpoint and click here. Make sure the two lines across each other. There is one way to test it. Type trim in the command box. Enter. Select two lines. Enter. Click on the extra part of this line. It is removed. Click on the extra part of this line. It is removed either. This means the two lines across each other. From here, draw a line from this point along the grid guide. Let's type 1 foot, enter. Copy it from this point to this point. Enter. Holding Shift key. Select this one, the curve. Copy them from this point to, let's go to this side of the house, to this ending point. Enter. Now we got two lines on this side. Type polyline in the command box. Enter. Let's start at this point and to this point. From here to this point and this point. Type C to close. Extrude the curve. Make sure solid yes, both sides no. So in this case, we are going to go that way 2 inches. Enter. Now we got the first piece of the roof. Now add a new layer. name the rules. Then add two sublayers in the roof layer. This one, the base, and the other one. Change the color of the layers. And we are going to go with brown. And the tail. Light brown. Select the extrusion. Right click on the base layer. Change object layer. Select the curve. Move it to this point. And then type extrude curve in the command box. Enter. Make sure solid yes. Both sides no. Go this way. Type the 0.5 inches this time. Enter. And select the extrusion, the blue one. Right click on the tail layer. Change object layer. After that, right click on the roof layer. Select sub-layer objects. Use the mirror function. Make sure it's yes. Click on this n-inch midpoint. And along with this gray guide, see this one? Click. There is one more thing. We need to fix the gap on the top of the roof. Type polyline in the command box. Enter. Let's start at this end point. From here, click on this one. And click on this one. And then type C, enter to close. Select the curve. Extrude the curve. Make sure solid yes, both sides no. Let's go this way. Go in. Find this end point. Click it. Now select the extrusion. Right click on the base layer. Change object layer. Let's go back to the other side. For fixing this one, we just need to repeat the steps of doing this extrusion. So polyline. Extrude curve. From here. Select the extrusion. Change object layer to tail layer. Now we get our model.